Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily, and today I'm going to be showing you a couple of my absolute favorite fall recipes. So the first one is a chicken pot pie. I absolutely love this one and make it all the time. As soon as it gets even a little bit crispy in the air, I absolutely love this kind of comfort food. It makes a ton, so it's plenty for me and my family. It's amazing as a leftover, so I love doing it. And then I also wanted to show you guys one of my new favorite desserts that I've started making this year, which is an apple crisp. And it is super, super easy to make. I've got some vanilla ice cream in the freezer that I'm gonna put on top of it. So I just wanted to show you that one as well. So, all right, ladies, so let's get started. But first things first, pour yourself a little glass of wine. Cheers, ladies. Let's get to cooking. Okay, so one of the first things that I'm doing is I'm actually gonna boil some chicken. I typically like to do this with a rotisserie chicken, but I've been ordering my groceries through the Walmart app and doing the Walmart grocery pickup, and they actually don't sell rotisserie chickens where you can just order them online, which I find interesting and slightly annoying, I'm not gonna lie. So I did just get some chicken thighs, and I am just going to boil them real quick. Okay, so I've got my big pot of water here. I'm just going to turn this on high. Let me turn some light on for you. And then I'm just going to put my lid on it. The fridge is so bare right now. Okay, so this is just some Tyson boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I have. And it looks like it's, let's see here, about 2 pounds. So I'm just gonna get this out, get it ready. I'm also gonna go ahead and grab some salt. I like to salt the boiling water when I boil chicken. So we'll just wait for that to boil and be ready to go. Now that the chicken is boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and cut up all of the apples needed for the apple crisp. So here I have 4 large Honeycrisp apples. Of course, you can use any apple that you would like. And I am just slicing them thinly and placing them in a baking dish. Okay, so I think my chicken is ready. So I am going to just go ahead and remove each piece from the boiling water. Okay, so now that we've shredded the chicken, we've got that ready to go. The other ingredients that you're gonna need for this is a can of the cream of chicken soup. I do a can of the cream of potato. I do some mixed veggies, and I only use about half of this, so you can just save the rest in the freezer and use it for next time. And then 2 pie crusts, and then I have my pie pan here ready to go. So let me show you how I assemble everything. All right, now that our chicken pot pie is baking in the oven, let's go ahead and finish up our apple crisp. So for the recipe, you will need 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, some ground cinnamon, and 1 stick of softened butter. And I went ahead and just put my stick of butter in the microwave for about, really like 7 to 10 seconds just to soften it slightly. And then you're gonna work in the butter into your flour and sugar mixture. I just use a fork to kind of get it all combined, and then it'll kind of start looking like a crumble. All right, once your flour, sugar, and butter are kind of thoroughly mixed together, then you'll want to coat your apples with cinnamon. I use quite a bit of cinnamon and then just kind of mix it in, and then you just put your crumble right on top and then another little layer of cinnamon, and it's ready to go.